2013 Nissan Juke SL. Aluminum alloy wheels, tinted windows, all-wheel drive, carpeted cargo mat, premium audio system with Rockford Fosgate sub and speakers throughout. Nice well-kept black leather interior. Nissan OEM carpeted floor mats, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Heated front seats, push button start, USB auxiliary audio inputs, free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio, backup camera, navigation, hands-free Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, automatic headlights, just over 97,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come on and see us at Cupholders.